Rugby players have a very strong neck, and no matter whether this is muscle or other tissue, this is a load at nighttime. So when the muscles relax, the airway may actually become collapsible, and then you have more likely snoring or sleep apnea.
And how could Zeus help with that?
So sticking a Zeus device with an individually titrated current underneath the tongue ground could keep the muscles active and the airway open at nighttime, thus alleviating snoring and sleep apnea.
Yeah, I've heard that because they've all got thick necks, rugby players are doomed to snore. Is that true?